Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you this little app called the UFO camera. I'm showing you this because I've seen these videos all over Reddit, and Facebook, and Twitter, because they honestly look completely realistic. And I want to show you how that is. Okay, so first, you got all these to choose from, including, the shiny lights going in whatever direction you'd like. You got the saucers, the fleets. So first, I'll show you what happens with the saucer. So I'm gonna point it to where I want it at in the sky. We'll go, hold on. We'll go right there, and it'll stay there. And if I want to move it, I can just drag it, over here. So here is the part that I really wanted to show you guys, is that I can, stand over here, do whatever, then decide, hey, I want to take a video now. And then when I walk over here, just chilling, looking outside. What on earth could that be? Now, of course, this is a pretty simple example. So, and I have seen people use power lines to kind of fuddle the image and stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you guys how simple this was to do. Here's another one. Try the fleet. Add that in there. Play. All of a sudden, these weird orbs hanging out over here. Even if I look away. There they are. So, be wary of that this technology exists, and people are using it on Reddit, on Facebook, on Twitter. Please don't fall victim to it. Have a good day, guys. Hope this helped.